The Riverwalk Gated Community in Fanning Springs is having an open house this weekend. This community has a pool, clubhouse, nature trail throughout, and tennis, pickleball, and basketball courts. This is a brand new, spacious, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,240 square foot home, and the last brand new home in this community by Adams Homes in this desirable area. Discover your future home this weekend at our exclusive open house in this beautiful Riverwalk Gated community of Fanning Springs. Join us this Saturday from 10 to 5 for refreshments and snacks on us, a tour of the property, and a personal introduction to the pool and clubhouse with a gym. Priced attractively in the low 300s, located at 9119 Dory Drive, this home offers a perfect blend of style, comfort, and community. Don't miss out on Riverwalk. This home won't last long. For more information, give me a call at 386-466-5109. See you there.